The floor surface in a project is an incredibly important decision. It's a huge square metre surface. There's a sort of misconception that concrete floors are cold. They're incredibly warm aesthetically, and also performance-wise, you put underfloor heating in a concrete floor and it's just incredibly efficient. It's a very consistent, very pleasant heat that comes from it. We haven't just used the concrete on the floor with Lazenby here. We've got various floating shelves actually. It just goes to prove how versatile concrete is. Here we've created a lovely floating bench behind us, so we have kind of like a breakfast area where we sit, and we've created a plinth from a floating concrete shelf that then we've got cushions on that we sit on to eat our breakfast. In our snug we have a lovely shelf where we have a wood burner that sits on it with the logs underneath. We have shutter concrete behind it, which brings out the texture of the grain of the wood. And it keeps that continuity of the palette of materials as well. So it's nice to be quite concise about the palette of materials that you use and to show the sort of versatility of those materials, i.e. concrete in this case.